Hello everyone, welcome back to Build and Repair and Restore. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, make sure you give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also join the channel for exclusive content. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is a quick update and the last of this series. So guys, I've been mega busy, under a lot of pressure to get my work done in time for my deadlines, as obviously, as you know, I'm here temporarily and it's the countdown to me leaving. So basically what I'm showing you here is probably the penultimate day on this project. We received the doors which I ordered recently and got made to measure at the factory, and today we're just fitting this door which leads from the main house apartment upstairs into the balcony upstairs. So as you can see, we're taking out the old rotten door frames. A lot of these door frames had termite damage, so they're sort of coming away in a lot of pieces. So we're just going to remove these door frames, and the new doors that we've got actually have their own aluminium door frames. So they're aluminium doors with aluminium door frames, so there'll be no more wood on these doors here. Most of the tiling is done. Once we fit these doors, we've just got some tiles to do at the bottom of the door. We waited for this area because we weren't sure how the door was going to fit to the floor, so we just left that sort of area done. So once the door's in, then we can just sort of do these last few tiles at the front of the door. So the doors went in quite fairly easy. There's a few little spaces here and there, but generally they went in quite easily. Just drilled them into the concrete and screwed the frames in. So as you can see, this is the area now for the tiling. The tiles do make it. I did measure it right and they fit underneath the door. So I wasn't 100% sure whether I was going to get the tiles under the door or they were going to stop in front of the doors. That's why I didn't tile this area. But everything worked out well. So I'm just doing the last sort of 4 tiles here. I'm going to cut these, lay them down, and then that's the tiling done. So in between this job, we do have another job like 2 doors away. I've shown you guys some clips of that job. I will show you guys some updates on that in another video. But that's moving quite well as well. The painting is almost complete of the house. We're doing the downstairs renovation of another house, and we have started the tiling as well. And I would say we're probably about 75% of the way through the tiling. We ended up using the same tiles that we're using here. They liked these tiles and wanted the same tiles, so it's about the same amount of tiles as well. It's approximately 300 tiles that we'll be using, that we've used here, and it's about the same on the other house. So the house is a very similar size. But unlike this being the upstairs of a house, the other house is a downstairs. So hopefully I'll show you guys an update on that. So once we've cut these pieces, I'm just going to use some thin set and set these down, and then we can grout this last area. But also, as I said, I will be leaving Dominica soon. I think I've literally just got over 2 weeks left here, and then back to sunny London. And yeah, we will be back on the jobs, back on the videos full time. We'll be back with Mr. A and Mr. B as well. And we've got some interesting projects lined up. We've got an extension that will be starting very soon after I get back, and a couple of other interesting jobs as well. So thanks guys for sticking around while I've been on my sort of working holiday, which is sort of evolved. And I mean, I do hope to be back here sometime in the near future. Hopefully when I come back to Dominica, we'll actually start building our home. So, and people have asked about that as well. The update on that at the moment is we have put our drawings in for planning, and we're just waiting for the okay and to get the planning approval. So it can be a bit slow, but you know, all we can do is wait. So I'm just showing you guys back to this job when we just about had started this. You can see all the cement patching, the oil paint. You can see it's had new electrics, some trunking, partition walls which were done by someone else. These are the 2 bedrooms. The ceilings which were boarded up with plywood, lots of rendering done and so on. So we've done a lot of filling, a lot of sanding, a lot of undercoating, a lot of painting, and I'm just going to show you guys really the final product. So once again, just reminding you what the place looks like. This is post hurricane damage from 2017 when this house lost its roof, and we're just trying to bring it back to its former glory. So this is the balcony. As you can see, we fitted this door. Balcony ceilings have been done. This is the other door we put that takes you downstairs of the house. We've also painted the balcony. The entire house on the outside will be painted at some point in the same color. So this is sort of like the living area. As you can see, the color that we've used is sort of like a light gray, and we've tiled the flooring throughout from the balcony all the way into the bedroom. So there's 2 bedrooms up here, and I'll show you guys some photos of these bedrooms because they are currently occupied. So this had 3 bedrooms upstairs before, and one of the bedrooms, which is straight ahead of us, which we're looking at now, is going to be turned into a kitchen. So that's something that didn't get done here, but it will be done probably in the future. Someone else might do it, but that's where the kitchen is going to be. And obviously down this corridor before is where I had done the bathroom, which was the first area that I did in this house. So you guys can look for that video and you'll see when I did that bathroom, which was in itself a transformation. So yeah, just showing back some of the photos on the last day, which was Friday. Just finished up. All the skirtings have been painted, everything's been grouted, siliconed and all that stuff. And this is how we left it. Put some curtains up as well for the customers. And happy the way it turned out. So I hope you guys like this project. Let me know what you think of the final project as far as it looked before and how it's turned out. Let me know what you think. And guys, until the next video, I will see you soon, and thanks for watching.